Your phone has finally got the ability to record and transcribe conversations using the native phone app. All I need to demo this is for a phone call to come in, perhaps from my wife. Oh, there we go. I'll answer that one now. In the top left corner of the call screen, you're now going to see this new record button. When you tap on there, the recipient and yourself will both hear a message.
This call will be recorded.
To alert them to the fact that the call is being recorded. You can't stop this message from happening, and it's really important that it plays, just so everyone knows that the call is being monitored and recorded. It's a bit like when you join a Zoom meeting and someone presses record on that. Then you can carry on the call as normal, with this little audio waveform in the middle of the screen like this. With this call recording, I can then carry on as normal. I could hang up the call and that would end the recording, or if I wanted to stop the recording first, I could press stop before I hang up. It really doesn't matter how you do this. And then, when the call is finished, that recording will be automatically saved into the Notes app. So let's quickly jump into Notes, and here you'll see there's a new call recording between myself and Safi Woolcock. Tapping onto there lets you then play back the call so you can hear the conversation again. Or if you tap onto the actual call itself, you can then see the transcript, and you can see who's spoken and what they've said. This is a pretty accurate call recording transcript. It's not 100% perfect, as you can see from this, but it's a really good start. And if you've got Apple Intelligence on your device, you'll also get a summary of that call as well, so you can see at a glance of what was going on. And because it's in Notes, if you search on your iPhone and the search phrase appears in a transcript, that note will show up as a suggestion for you. There are so many uses for this feature, and I'm really excited it's now finally part of iOS 18. But that's not all that's new on your phone. I spent my summer playing with iOS 18, and I've made a ton of quick tip videos on my channel down below, but excitingly I've also written my first ebook. I've called it 100 Quick Tips for iOS 18, and if you follow the link below, I promise you're going to find things that you never knew your phone could do now you've updated to iOS 18. I'll see you next time.